If size matters, then the El Reno tornado was a giant among giants. On May 31st, 2013, near El Reno, Oklahoma, a multi-vortex tornado grew to an astonishing 2.6 miles wide, the largest ever documented. Winds were recorded at 302 miles per hour, among the highest ever measured. But what made this tornado truly deadly was its unpredictability. It changed direction multiple times and accelerated suddenly, catching even seasoned storm chasers by surprise. 8 people died, including 4 storm chasers, the first time storm chasers had ever been killed in the line of duty. Dashcams and aerial footage show a monstrous wall of swirling debris that seemed to consume the entire horizon.